What's going on? It is a little bit later in the afternoon. I'm out on the water, and it is incredibly windy, but it's overcast. So I'm kind of thinking, you know, maybe my luck will be a little bit better given the current situation. And yeah, the wind is really ripping. I'm just in a quiet spot right now. So hopefully I can get on some fish and hopefully redeem myself, because I'm on the freaking California Delta. And that's fishing game. No weightless today because of the wind and no drop shot. So gonna hopefully find some fish. And like I said, hopefully the wind's not too bad for you guys to listen to. If it is, I'll fix it and edit. But I'm gonna do my best to get some fish. And maybe these are the situations I need to be in. You know, I've been fishing bluebird skies in calm water. Oh boy. Oh, okay. I'm not really sure what that tells me. Could be just a rogue fish. I'm gonna toss this crankbait against the wall for a little bit. Boy, this wind is just ripping. Got him. Oh, it's a good fish. It feels like a good fish. Oh. Okay. He ate it weird, that's for sure. Okay, there's the first fish of the day on a crankbait. I'll take it. Well, they're really tucked up close, so that's something I guess I'll have to figure out. So I'm kind of out of the wind right now, and I don't know, I have this weird thing that I just think they're gonna bite a whopper plopper now. I don't know why. I don't know, it's because maybe the sky. I've been throwing a soft plastic. I threw a dark sleeper, threw the crankbait against that wall over there. I'm just kind of thinking, I don't know, like I'm, you know, one fish coming out to the Delta on a windy day like this with skies like this. I just kind of thought it'd be a better bite. I'm not obviously close to the launch right now, so I'm not going in anytime soon. I'm just gonna throw kind of, I don't know, something is just telling me to throw a freaking whopper plopper, and I'm not gonna throw the big one. I'm gonna throw a smaller one. I'm gonna throw like the original 90, and you know, this thing's tiny, and this one doesn't have a rattle. Why did I think that it had a rattle? But different bait than what most people throw out here, which is the bigger one. And right, the logic is bigger bait, bigger fish. But I don't know. Wow. I was right. Holy crap, I was right. I'll take that fish all day. None of these fish, to be honest with you, the two that I caught, there's the fish. He's got sores all over his mouth, but hey, it's the Delta. That is my first topwater fish of the year. I'll take it. Bye, buddy. I got two fish on the Delta. What just happened? What? Oh, you can't be serious. Well, that's a wind knot if I ever saw one. This is what bad luck looks like. You see that? Oh my goodness. I have no idea how that's caught. It just is. Freaking awesome. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Well, I guess we're going with the bigger one now. Comedy. It's absolute comedy. I have a 90 whopper plopper stuck on the rudder. Now that might have been stupidity, because I probably should have just taken my fucking lazy ass and gone back there and gotten it. What am I caught on? Oh, no, 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 no. I'm caught. Caught. Okay. Jeez. This is what's going on with my year, man. The wind just kicked up a lot, actually. And, I don't know, maybe it's better that I have the bigger 130 on now. Man, come on. Shut up. That's a fish. Okay. I'll take them. I was like, wait a second, that's not grass. Oh, I got him good. All right, that's the third fish of the day. Thanks, buddy. Well, this is the best outing I've had on the Delta, and that's pathetic. And it's May. That's a fish too. I'm not feeling these bites. Oh my goodness. Little guys. Jeez, calm down. Another little guy. Not feeling the bites at all. I mean, like literally not feeling anything. That's a fish. Oh, see it? I felt that one. Lame. Caught on. What am I caught on? Ah, come on. And that will be the day. Hey, what's up? I'm back at the house right now, and I forgot to do an outro when I was out on the water. So, hey, had a good time. Super appreciative to be out on the water. Big fish are coming. Thanks for watching these things. Thanks for all the support, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.